Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another informative and useful video. So guys, in this video I will tell you how to fix cannot access to the Apple ID or Apple ID is grayed out for some reason. So guys, if you are facing this problem, then how can you fix it? So let's start our video without wasting any time. So guys, first of all, what we need to do, we have to just simply restart your device. Sometimes a simple restart can resolve many issues. So guys, restart your device. So simply open your setting, then scroll it below, and then tap on Journal, and then scroll it below, then tap on Shutdown. Shut down your iPhone to 15 to 20 seconds, and after that open your device and check if the problem is fixed or not. If the problem is still there guys, then what you need to do, we have to just simply check software update. Make sure that there is no update on your device. If there have any update, then update it first and check if the problem is fixed or not. If the problem is still there guys, then you have to just simply check date and time. Make sure that your date and time is set automatically, and after that simply go back, tap on screen time, scroll it below, then tap on change screen time and passcode, turn off screen time passcode, enter your screen time passcode, and after that simply tap on content and price restriction and tap on iTunes and App Store purchases. Simply turn this toggle to don't required, and after that go back and scroll down, then tap on password changes and type here allow, and after that tap on account changes, and you have to turn this allow and go back, and hopefully your problem will be fixed. So that's it for today guys. Hope this video helps you. If you like the audio, please subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.